Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. It's Wednesday, September 8th. I'm here in front of the Marriott. We've got many ways to analyze the market, but here we've got several hundred beach chairs, and then up at the hotel there's another stack of several hundred beach chairs. I turn around here, there's 8 people doing yoga. A couple months from now, all these chairs are going to be laid out. It's 8 in the morning. There'll be 50 people doing yoga. Point being, supply and demand. There's very few boots on the ground right now, physically, competing for the very few properties out there. But if you are interested in buying, September is a great month to be in Southwest Florida and be the very few boots on the ground that are here physically looking at properties and buying. So if you're interested in buying, selling, renting, investing, building, commercial or residential, give me a call. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, 219-406-6482. 219-406-6482. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and make it a great day.